Now let's move to the Track Select tool in Premiere Pro. This tool is extremely useful when working with longer timelines or multiple stacked layers of clips. The Track Select tool allows us to select an entire row of clips on the timeline with a single click, instead of choosing each clip one by one. For example, here we have multiple clips and multiple tracks in our timeline, and we want to create some space at the beginning or somewhere in the middle of our edit. One way to do this is to select all clips and drag them forward manually. But if you're working on a large project with many video and audio layers, selecting every single clip can be time-consuming and messy. So let me show you a much simpler solution. First, let's undo the action by pressing Ctrl or Command Z. We can do this instantly by using the Track Select tool or by pressing the shortcut A. Just click on the timeline and Premiere selects everything to the right of that point. When we drag, everything moves together and all video and audio stays perfectly in sync. Now let's look at the opposite situation. Suppose we want only these three clips at the beginning to move, and we want the rest of the timeline to remain unchanged. In this case, we can use Track Select backward or use the shortcut Shift plus A. This tells Premiere to select everything to the left instead of the right. So now only these clips move to the new position, and the rest of the timeline stays exactly where it is. This is extremely useful when adjusting or reshaping the opening part of your edit, or when rearranging the beginning of a scene without disrupting the rest of the project. We use this tool when we need to make space in the timeline. We need to shift large sections of the edit. We want to rearrange scenes during storytelling. We want to duplicate sections. We want to move entire sequences without losing sync. For example, in documentary, music video, and commercial projects, we often restructure sections multiple times. Track Select makes that fast and safe. A common beginner mistake is using the normal selection tool and manually dragging clips one by one. This often breaks sync or leaves gaps. Track Select solves that instantly. So the Track Select tool is designed for large timeline operations, helps maintain sync, and saves a lot of time when moving parts of your edit.